Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you step by step how you can start earning $100 per day from Google. Yes, you've heard me correctly. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna Google for topics we are interested in. Then I'm gonna show you how to get related offers and how to start as a beginner without any investment. Also, for all of you that are keen to take an action today, make sure you watch this video all the way till the end, because after actual method in the fourth step, I'm gonna be showing you how you can automate most of the process and that I'm going to show you today. Also, in tomorrow's video, I'm going to show you advanced version of this same method. So today's method is 100% free, it works worldwide, and you can get started within half an hour. So let's go, let's get into my computer. Just one thing before we move to the content. I'm Spiro and I post videos like this every single day. So if you're interested in content like this, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new content. And I'll make sure to send you notification every time I publish a new video. Alright guys, let's quickly summarize what we're gonna do today. And how we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it through the 4 steps. In the first step, we're gonna choose a niche and we're gonna find an offer that we're gonna promote. In the second step, we're gonna hide our affiliate links, because on a Clickbank that we're gonna use to get an offer from, we're gonna get a long, like ugly, spammy looking hop link that is actually linked, that is actually our tracking link, and that helps to track our sales. But unfortunately it looks really ugly, and what is recommended to make a nice looking link. In third step we're gonna go and we're gonna search on Google for relevant topics. In particular today we're gonna choose health and fitness niche, but you can choose any niche, and I'm just about to show you that. And in the fourth step, that's a bonus step, I'm gonna show you how you can actually automate a few things that will along the line long term help you a lot. So make sure you watch all the way till the end, because the most the best part comes at the end. Like usually if you skip any of the steps, you might do something wrong and it might affect number of sales and stuff. Also in tomorrow's video I'm going to show you a more advanced version of this very same tutorial, in which we actually going to create a website from scratch, and I'm going to explain you what and how and why to do, and why it's better than today's video, even though it actually adds on today's video, and because I'm not going to repeat myself tomorrow again and again. Also, before we move to the content, I just want to let you know, if you didn't subscribe yet, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and that way when I publish a new video, when a new video comes tomorrow, you're gonna get notified about it. And let's quickly jump on the first step, and that's on clickbank.com. so let's go to clickbank.com. And we are over at Clickbank. If you don't have a Clickbank account, don't stress, don't be worried. Just click here, create an account, and it will take you through the 3-step process in which you have to fill your personal information, banking information, and then account information. They're a little bit fussy about the password, but it's nothing complicated. Once you complete the registration, this sign up form, what's gonna happen? They're gonna send you an email. When you confirm your email address, you'll get your account, and then you just follow me along. I'm gonna log into my account right now. Once you log into your Clickbank account, to find yourself in this page, all you have to do is click here this marketplace icon, and you're gonna find yourself in all these categories, and those are all the different niches or industries, better to say, and then inside them niches that you can actually focus on and that you can promote using a Clickbank Marketplace. So what we're gonna do today, as I said earlier, we're gonna do health and fitness because it's the biggest niche, easiest to sell. So just go hit health and fitness, and then go diet and weight loss. As you can see, we are here now at the marketplace, at the Clickbank Marketplace, for health and fitness and diet and weight loss niche. And in the diet and weight loss niche, as you can see, most popular is flat belly fix, then lean belly breakthrough, and so on and so on, the Venus factor 2 and all. And the thing is that what you want to do here, you want to sort this by gravity. And what does it mean? Gravity is the most important stat that you can have about a certain product or on a Clickbank. And what it actually tells us, it tells us that this gravity score of 214 actually tells us that at least 214 persons, different affiliate marketers, has made at least one sale in the last several weeks. So like this is very important information. It means that a lot of people, different people, made the sales promoting this particular item, this particular program, weight loss program, which is actually the red tea detox. So how are we gonna promote this? If we want to promote, we're gonna click here on promote. That will come a little bit later. But let me just explain you what's also important here in these stats and what you should looking for. So you're looking for a gravity form, a gravity ranking. A gravity number actually gives us very valuable information. We now know that this offer sales, which means that it's either a very good product or the sales funnel is great. And what's also very important about this is, and what you should looking for, that the offer that we are selling has average rebill. That means that actually it's gonna be ongoing. And as you can see on this particular red tea detox, it says that average bill is $61, and on average 20% of the initial purchaser is gonna keep buying the product, which means that you now understand what you should look for. You should look for gravity. 200 might not be the best thing for you, especially using this method. I'll explain you now why. A gravity score is too high. That could mean, it doesn't necessarily mean, but that could mean that offer has, or that market has been oversaturated. You should look for maybe gravity score between 50 and 130. Even 130 might be like something like this. 90 should be alright. Anyway, for this tutorial, I just wanna go simple for you guys. So we're gonna click here, promote. I'm gonna open up this pop-up where we can create our hop links. So what's important here, your account nickname, make sure it's correct. It's usually automatically fulfilled, so no worries. Here in tracking ID, you don't need this, but we're gonna use this tomorrow, just shortly. Tracking ID we use when we have multiple traffic sources. So we can ensure that sale, and we can be sure which traffic source brought us sales, so we can tomorrow focus on this particular thing, and it brings us, well, we know, for example, Facebook group 1 brought us 1 sale. So well, we're gonna create Facebook group 1, and then we're gonna create a hop link. Then we're gonna create Facebook group 2, and we're gonna create a hop link, because we don't know which Facebook group brings the sales, right? But you wanna know actually where is your sales, where are your sales coming from, so you can spend more time on these particular like traffic sources. Anyway, for this tutorial we don't need it, so we're just gonna click create or generate hop link, and this is that ugly link that we were talking at the beginning. So we just need to copy this link, and now we need to tidy that. How are we gonna do it? We're going over to Bitly. So go to bitly.com, and this is my old Bitly account. Oh, before we go, I just want to show you, for example, you see this Bluehost link here, Bluehost hosting YouTube links. This is one of the links that I've created underneath one of my or few of my tutorials, that goes like 7 steps to create your lawyer's website. And it says step number 1, go to the bluehost.com, click on this link below, and you can claim $15 discount or something like that. And whenever they go and they click that link and they purchase a hosting, they get a better offer. I earn money or commission on that particular sale. Now just let me quickly show you how to create these links here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click here on create, and then you paste your long URL right here. And look, because I already created this red tea detox program link, it already gave me a title which is usually empty. So you put the title which is very relevant to the content you promoting, and then you also can customize your back half, which is this area here. So I just tried, and it was best detox tea 2019, and it's available. So once you create this, click here, copy, and then save changes. And if we just paste this link here now and click enter, you'll see redteadetox.com, hop link Spirko, which is actually name of my account, right? And that means whoever purchased this particular product, 75% of the sale price gonna go into my Clickbank account. And that's how it works, and that's how we're gonna make money using this particular method. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna find relevant content. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go and we're gonna say top, we're gonna search for top 50 weight loss blogs. Let's find which are top 50 weight loss blogs in 2019, and it's here. And let's open this Eat, Drink and Be Skinny. And then if you go to here, nutrition and weight loss, it will take us to detox plans. Guys, this is exactly what you're gonna do. You're gonna open up all these 50 blogs and you're gonna find relevant content to whatever offer you decide to talk about. The most important thing is to carefully read everything here. So, and also follow up their links, see a little bit, get familiar with their content. Now, number one thing to do, what I would recommend, it's not necessary, is make one or two blog posts on their blog, not blog posts, comments on their blog, so they get familiar with your nickname, with your email, and they already approve one or two of your blog comments. Then it's very easy later to chuck in link here and there, and make sure you don't post link to every content, to every comment you post on their blog, because it's gonna look spammy and they're definitely gonna ban you out of, they don't need you on their blog if you're spamming. No one wants spam on their blog. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go all the way down and then you're gonna click here and you're gonna enter your comment. And as you can see, just for purposes of this tutorial, I've created this Teresa1994, like Teresa94@gmail.com, and nickname Teresa. Point is that you want this to look genuine, and you also want to give content related comment, and then you can say, but also I found this red detox tea program very useful and it's helped me. If you want to find out more, click on the link here. And then if they choose to click, and if they click on this link, it will take them to that affiliate offer as it is here, and it will have our or my link in this particular case. And basically, if they purchase, we get percentage. If they don't purchase, they don't purchase. That's the way it works. Okay, once you post this comment, that's it. Into tomorrow's video, I'm gonna show you more advanced method, and it actually adds on top of the method that we're using right now today. So I'm just gonna expand today's method, and then day after I'm gonna go even further. We're gonna create some Pinterest accounts, and we're gonna use create a rich pins and stuff like that, and so on and so on. And I'm gonna sort of pile up this method, and I'm gonna make it better and better and better. So we're gonna build more traffic sources to our offer, which will be this offer, for example, here. And let's now go to the step number 4. Step number 4 is automation. We're gonna automate. We're gonna make Google notify us every time someone posts a significant our offer related content. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna search for Google alerts. So we're gonna create a detox tea, and what we're gonna do here, we're gonna click show options, and here we can select some options. We want it to send us email either once a day or once a week. I recommend, if you're gonna use this method, I recommend at least 1 or 2 hours a day. Then you should select that sources coming from blogs, and then language is English, obviously, and then region should be United States, because it's gonna bring you most sales. And then how many, only the best results or all results. Obviously, if you put all results, you're gonna be your email gonna get spammed. So you just select to send you the best results related to this here particular keyword, and then here is your email, and create an alert. And basically what this is gonna do, it's gonna send me an email once a day, usually once a day, with high quality content related to my offer, related to detox tea. And I'm gonna have an opportunity to be first who's gonna see this particular posts that have just been published. And if you comment first, your comment gonna be on the top of the comment section, and basically it's gonna have usually gonna have a more chance to be seen by viewers and stuff like that. Also, don't forget, very important thing is that you shouldn't post your Bitly or your affiliate links directly into the first comment that you're doing on someone's blog. Guys, it's gonna just notify him that you are spam. He's gonna automatically click spam. He won't even read your comment. So make sure you make sure you comment something relevant to topic, maybe to 2 or 3 older posts, and then when you get approved with these comments, then your email gonna get approved, and when you post a comment with link, it's gonna get automatically approved. With that being said, make sure you don't miss tomorrow's video. guys, subscribe to channel, hit the notification bell, especially if you're first time on the channel, because tomorrow we're gonna do advanced version of this video where I'm gonna show you step by step how to build your website. Because look guys, if you're gonna, for example, promote these detox products from a Clickbank, you're gonna learn about these detox programs. Not only that, you're gonna, when you promote them, you're gonna read all these detox topics. It would be really silly if you don't start creating your assets like website, email database, and so on and so on. You have to, because that's the way to, you know, reach six figures. Goal is to build your assets, not only to, you know, make few sales here and there. Alright guys, that's all for today. Now, if you struggle with money and if you want to get started right now, make sure you watch these two videos on the right hand side, because one of them will be literally the easiest method for absolute beginners to get started. Within 3 or 4 days, you're gonna be able to make 50-60 bucks and purchase your website and start building something more serious, something that we're gonna talk about tomorrow. Thanks for watching, good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.